Wagwan subscribers, it's your girl Picky Vegan. It's Recipe Tuesday, so I decided to make vegan Jamaican patties, and I made a soy-free version because I've seen other versions but I never seen one like mine, so I tweaked it into my liking and it came out so good and so nice. Like, you guys are gonna enjoy this. I felt like I needed to do this recipe just because the thing, I am from Jamaican descent. My parents are both Jamaican, so I got to big up myself and make some Jamaican vegan patties, alright? I'll be showing you guys how to make this delicious recipe. Alright, for this recipe, you want to use 4 cups of unbleached flour and add that into a bowl. And then you're going to need 2 tablespoons of cane sugar and also 1 tablespoon of salt. And then some turmeric. So I added 1.5 tablespoons at first, and then I stirred everything together because I wasn't sure. I was just testing it out. Then I added another 1/2 tablespoon, so that makes 2 tablespoons of turmeric. Then you're going to stir everything together and add 3/4 cup of vegan butter. And then you're going to mix that all together until it gets really nice and crumbly like this. It has to look like this before you can proceed to the next step. So after, you want to add 3/4 cup of very cold water, but you want to like add it you know, slowly, not all together, and just start playing with your dough until it gets into a nice firm ball like this. Alright, so you got to really play with it, you know, don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. Just work it up and add water slowly. Alright, you might need less water depending. But if you do add more water, I'm going to show you a technique. All you got to do is add some flour on top. But now you just got to keep on playing with it until it's nice and in a dough ball form, if that makes sense. And then add your flour if it's too sticky or if you feel like you need it for any type of reason, just for security reasons. And then when that's ready, just separate it in half and then form your other one into a ball, like one by one into a ball. And then you're gonna wrap it with saran wrap. Okay, when that is done, like I'm doing right now, make sure it's really nice and sealed so nothing gets dry. And then you're gonna leave that in the fridge for 2 hours. You're gonna do the same thing with the other one. Same steps, same techniques. If ever you have any concerns, you could always leave me a comment down below. If you speak French and you're watching this video and you need like answers, comment down below. I'm here to help. So I'm just going to put this in the fridge. Again, I'm going to wrap it around and really nice and snug and leave it in the fridge. You could also leave it in the fridge for longer than just 2 hours for a better result. Now this one is ready to go in the fridge too. So then after that, you want to start cooking your lentils. So 1.5 cups of lentils. And when that is ready, you're going to put some oil in a pan with some garlic and onions. So yeah, you're gonna cook your onions and your garlic all together, and then you're gonna add your ginger, 1 spoon of ginger, and then you're gonna add your lentils after this is all nice and stirred and combined. All right, so there's the lentils, they are coming in. All right, and then you're gonna add 1 teaspoon of thyme into your pan. 1 tablespoon of cumin powder as well. That's very important. That's what's gonna give it that meaty flavor. And then some paprika, so 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. And then I also use 1/2 tablespoon of Caribbean allspice seasoning. But if you don't have that, you could also use salt to taste and 1 teaspoon of chili peppers. And then 6 tablespoons of soya sauce. All right, and then you're gonna add 1/2 cup of water into your pan like I'm doing so, and then add some ketchup to that, a little bit of ketchup, and stir everything together until it's all nice and combined. Stir the pot real nice now, make it look good. And then you're gonna let your water boil out on low heat, and it should look like this after, a nice meat consistency. And then you're gonna add it into a bowl, let it sit in a bowl and let it cool down. And then after that, you know, you're gonna take out your dough, you're gonna get your table ready, prep it and stuff, and yeah, start working on your dough. All right, you're gonna roll it really flat, not like too flat. You know, you gotta be smart with it, you know, but roll it really nice and good until it stretches out nice. Okay, these are easy steps. Take your time if you have to, and then you could use a bowl of any size that you feel like would be good to shape some circles like this. All right, and then you're gonna roll it up again too, make it a little bit flatter, you know. And then you could also, after this step, you could also measure by folding it to see if your meat will fit into the patty. Your meat substitute, basically, because we're vegans, we do not eat meat, or we're vegetarians, you know, that healthy lifestyle. And then we're gonna add our lentils slowly. All right, and you can also test it out first to see if it's gonna fit by folding it. I don't think I'm gonna show it right now. Oh yeah, I'm showing it, guys. Look at that. Okay. Whoa, okay. Yeah, here I am testing it out to see. This is just a little quick test. And then you could also egg wash this with almond milk. All right, in a bowl, just use a little bit of almond milk. You don't need that much. And egg wash it if you feel like you need to. You may not need to. I've done most of them without egg washing them because I forgot. But this could also help like as an extra protection to make sure that everything is well nicely sealed. And then you're gonna take a fork and yeah, just seal it completely with the fork, and it gives it a nice patty, usual patty look. And after, you're gonna lay your patties on a tray and bake them for 15 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. And then after 15 minutes, glaze them with the almond egg wash, and then put them back in for 15 minutes, and then they should look like this. So yummy and so delicious, guys. I'm not even lying. I always say that my recipes are delicious, but I'm not lying. I really hope that you guys recreate this recipe and let me know. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to tag me in your pictures when you make this recipe, because you guys are going to be in love. They're so moist, they're so amazing. Oh my god, you make it for school, at home. Anyways, for me, I know from living in a Jamaican household, Jamaican patties were A1 for me. With my little chubby on the side. Do you guys know what chubby is? Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on Sunday. Alright, bye.